Hey guys, it's Janice. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a super exciting free update for my fellow digital note takers who use GoodNotes. There's also an exciting giveaway hosted by the GoodNotes team themselves, so stay tuned for more details. So you already spend lots of time taking beautiful notes on GoodNotes 5. Now with the new community feature, you can now upload your notes, browse, share, and view other students' notes from all around the world. Essentially, the new community feature is a social digital studying platform where you can connect with students from other schools and share study materials with each other. I think it's a great opportunity to see how other students are using GoodNotes 5 and also find things that could be useful, inspiring, and motivating for you as a digital note taker. So I've seen some people put up hex codes, header ideas for your notes, planners, etc. And for academic notes, there's quite a large variety already on the platform. If you want to connect with people who might have study material relevant to your area, you can sort by subjects and also search the platform as well. If you find something interesting or helpful for you, you can actually save it and open it up to view it. Another feature that really speaks to its name, community, is the ability to comment under the documents that students upload. So you can ask questions, share tips, and really connect with others who study the same field, like medicine or nursing. Or maybe if they're an AP or IB like you and have been through the same program, so they have some tips to share with you. Because it is a social platform, you do get your own GoodNotes community profile, kind of like your own feed, where people can follow you and see all the notes and documents that you've uploaded. So as you can see, I've got some of my own notes uploaded. Once you're on GoodNotes community, make sure to give me a follow. My handle is just Janice. Uploading your own documents is really simple. You can either tap Contribute on the community page or go to your own notes, tap Export, and tap Contribute to Community. You can share the full document or select specific pages. From there, you can name your document, add a quick description, and you can also sort the note into a subject. So if your notes are for math, you can put them under math. You can also input the school and course name if you want to get really specific, and doing this can help you find students who are maybe from the same school and studying the same program as you. Last but not least, you can also add some hashtags to the document to make them easier to follow if someone is searching for something like nursing or biology. Once you tap publish, it'll be uploaded onto community for other students to see. I think this is such an exciting addition to GoodNotes that I'm sure a lot of you guys will appreciate and use since it's free, no extra cost for you to see and save all these notes from students around the world. Not to mention, you also get to connect with other students from other schools who are studying the same thing as you. If you want to be a part of GoodNotes community, make sure to sign up for the waitlist using the link in the description box below so you can join as soon as it launches. Last but not least, to make this new update even more exciting, the GoodNotes team is hosting monthly giveaways where you can win iPads, Apple Pencils, iPhones, cameras, gift cards, etc. just by participating in the community and uploading your notes. One document is one ticket and you will automatically be eligible to win one of their prizes. So there's certainly some great incentives for you to start sharing your notes on GoodNotes community. I'm looking forward to having lots of you join GoodNotes community. Once again, the link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you guys next time.
It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.